Good afternoon, Kobe, Mom, Dad, and Grandma. I just thought I would make y'all a video because I know you're new to all of it and I think you need a little extra help. So I'm going to try to help you out and show you around. So this is our page for today because we actually don't have classes today, but we will tomorrow. And so today is a great day to help Kobe learn the ropes. So if you will have her log into her Canvas, click on Daily Classwork, and it will take her to our module. Now you're going to see lots of things on my page that you don't see on your page, but this is what she needs to do for tomorrow, from yesterday, for yesterday's assignments. So she'll click on DOL. DOL stands for grammar, daily oral language. It's grammar. I'm in the teacher version. I'm trying to click to what it would look like for her. And so you're going to help her Monday through Thursday. You can help her on these, talk to her about them. This will be the first thing she does every morning. Um, and then after that, she will, on Fridays, you should not help her at all because that will be the test. I thank you for respecting the testing atmosphere and remembering never to help her on any test we give her, because for me to serve her best, I need to know exactly what she knows, what she can do independently. On any test, she shouldn't have any help reading. She shouldn't have any hints or anything like that, because if I don't know her weaknesses, I don't know how to help her grow. So on her writing assignment, she's going to roll a story, and I put a little video in here to show you how to um, if you click here, you'll see the video, and you'll make this into like a like dice. It'll be a spinner of 1 through 6, and she'll choose her parts of her story, and she'll write a story. Where does she do it? She does it right here. There'll be a submit button, and she'll click the submit button and do her assignment here. The next assignment she has is reading, and I read the story, but she can listen to it again here and read along. And then at the bottom of that, she will come to the next is her actual prompt, and she will reread the last paragraph of 132. What does the author do to connect us with Opal's story? Well, I actually gave a lot of hints in my live lesson, and so if she ever wants to go back and listen to live lessons, I'm going to show you where to find that. If you're back on the home page, you can click on any one of her, well, most of her class assignments. So if it was, I'm just clicking campfire because that's what I can reach at the moment, but you can click on the big blue button icon, and it'll take you to where all of our conferences are. So yesterday's reading assignment right here, this is where I told them exactly what to write about that reading prompt, and you could watch that video again of the actual lesson right here. This is me, the one that's back in the lesson. That recording is a friend of mine, another teacher, just recording the reading. She doesn't really talk about it. But if you click on the presentation here, you can actually see the lesson that I taught that day. Here is the math lesson from yesterday, and so forth. So going back to the home page, so I can click on the assignments for you. I want to show you one more time. These are where her assignments are. Then she has a multiplication assignment. It's a multiplication division. It's in Canvas. None of these are for taking pictures and uploading. You work them right here in Canvas. So another thing I want to remind you is of our schedule, and I'm going to go to another screen so you can see what's actually behind this board, and I'm going to show you how to get to all of her assignments. I mean, to her actual schedule parts of the day. I'm going to refresh this screen. I've taken the sign off so I can get to the different things. So in the morning, she clicks here. She stays until I dismiss her, and then she goes to specials. Remember, she's clicking on her dashboard for that. To go to reading groups, she needs to go to reading groups every day as scheduled. She'll click on this screen, and she will, let me move it down to the bottom. She will find her name. I left it in red so you can easily see it. She's in Miss Massey's group. So every day at that time at 9 o'clock, she's going to click on reading groups and go to Miss Massey's group right here. And then clicking back on the home page, She will come to my actual writing class and stay until I dismiss her. Again, 10:30, shared reading, stay until I dismiss her. The next group where she's going to another teacher is math groups. And again, I have a chart and I thought it, oh, it's a little bitty. I'll make that bigger. I have her name also in red there. And so you can easily see her where her class is. And she's going to click that and it's going to take her to where she needs to go. Let's make that bigger like everybody else. There we go. Now it's in red and easy for her to see. Remember, all assignments are due by 3 o'clock. She does them after I teach. Then she goes and does an assignment. Then I teach and she goes and does an assignment. I'm really glad to help you at any time you need extra help. Please use Dojo. Feel free to contact me frequently. And please absolutely turn those Dojo notifications on because I contact you all the time. I hope this is helpful and not overwhelming. Please, again, let me know if you need help. Click here for her daily work to help her practice completing all of yesterday's assignments.